Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring school bags for kids. Let's start drawing. Start with the school bag on the left. To draw a school bag, you just need to draw basic curves like this. I draw a handle part and a zipper part like this. Now, I draw the second school bag. The drawings are similar to the first school bag. Then I painted cherry blossoms to decorate this school bag. Draw another flower here. Next, I draw some flowers to decorate the remaining school bag. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's coloring together. First, I use this yellow marker to paint. I color these petals cream. Then, I use purple to paint this school bag. In a moment, I will use a black marker to redraw the border of this school bag. For this remaining school bag, I use dark pink and pink to paint. Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.